So I set up on this hunt for a coyote that had been stealing some chickens, and I got some access to the field next door so I could have a little bit better viewing and play the wind. While I was getting out of the truck, I noticed this raccoon was kind of hanging out, so I got some footage of him. Didn't seem to care what I was up to, and obviously did not deem me as a threat, so I just took a few moments to kind of showcase the image that this unit has and try to figure out what the hell he was doing. I'm going to try to leave this fairly uncut. I think I had about an hour and a half overall from the time I started until I was done, but we'll trim it down to 8 or 9 minutes and just try to show you some action here. We'll speed this up a little bit. He climbs up the tree, does some more grooming. It's everything I got not to pull the trigger on this dude. I normally don't give him a pass, but I guess I was feeling generous. So after watching this guy for a while, I think he got tired of me and I got tired of him. I decided I'd probably better get set up on this coyote and see what I couldn't do to get him called in and maybe save a couple of chickens. So I started this set out with a triple threat from BFA and some fawn distress. And I think I threw in queen bee. Immediately got these deer interested. They were a little concerned about what was going on. Got the icotech screaming. This doe had to come in and see what was happening. Got to be careful when you're doing that. Sometimes they'll come up behind you. They'll come from anywhere. I've had them run right past me within feet of me. For some reason, when they got that fawn distress going, they let all guards down. They don't care about human scent or nothing. I've got that icotech set up straight downwind of me, so anything that's going to get downwind of that call is going to be in the wide open so I can see it and have an opportunity to shoot. This went on for several minutes. I think I got about 9 minutes of video. And these deer running in, checking it out, leaving, coming back. When I'm doing this, I like to watch the body language of the deer, because they'll tell you when a coyote's coming. This one's got me pinpointed. She got my wind. I don't know if she could see me or not. I was kind of tucked in under a tree along the creek, but she definitely smelled me. We'll fast forward here and see if we can't get to the action. Right here you can see that deer turn her head. She's looking over to her right, which would be my left. She saw that coyote coming down the hill. I saw the look, but I figured it wasn't very close yet because of the way she was acting. So I just waited it out. Stayed on her. There she's looking again. Now I'm thinking, hey, that coyote's approaching. Right here. Tail up. She's getting a closer look. She doesn't like it. Oh, look at that. There's a coyote. Hook, line, and sinker. Right there, he got my wind. Oh, too late, buddy. That was it. Chicken killer's dead. This was about 3 weeks ago, and they have not had a problem since, so I'm thinking we got the culprit. Thanks for watching. Look forward to sharing another one with you.